Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about how to become a successful employee. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to become a successful employee. Becoming a successful employee requires a combination of skills, attitude, and actions. Here are some key tips to help you succeed in your role. Number 1, master your skills. Continuously improve, expand your skills relevant to your job. Strive to become an expert in your field and stay updated with industry trends. Number 2, be proactive. Take initiative and go beyond the basics. Identify opportunities for improvement and suggest innovative ideas to your team or organization. Number 3, maintain a positive attitude. Approach your work with enthusiasm and a positive mindset. A positive attitude can influence your interactions with colleagues in your overall productivity. Number 4, effective communication. Clearly express your ideas, listen actively, and communicate effectively with your team, superiors, and clients. Good communication fosters collaboration and understanding. Number 5, time management. Prioritize tasks, set goals, and manage your time efficiently. Use tools like to-do lists, calendars, and project management software to stay organized. Number 6, problem solving. Develop strong problem-solving skills, approach challenges with a solution-oriented mindset, and be resourceful in finding creative ways to overcome obstacles. Number 7, team collaboration. Work well with others, contribute to a positive team environment, and respect your colleagues' opinions and contributions. Number 8, adaptability. Embrace change and be flexible in your approach. The business landscape involves and employees who can adapt are highly valued. Number 9, continuous learning. Keep learning and growing throughout your career. Seek out opportunities for training, workshops, and courses that can enhance your skills and knowledge. 10. Take ownership. Take responsibility for your tasks and projects. Show accountability for your work and learn from mistakes to improve over time. 12. Professionalism. Maintain a professional demeanor at all times. Be punctual, dress appropriately, and adhere to company policies and guidelines. Number 12. Networking. Build a strong professional network both within your organization and your industry. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and insights. Number 13. Goal setting. Set short-term and long-term goals for your career. Having a clear sense of direction will help you stay focused and motivated. Number 14, feedback. Be open to receiving feedback from colleagues, superiors, and even clients. Constructive feedback can help you improve and grow. Number 15, work-life balance. Strive to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Burnout can affect your performance, so ensure you allocate time for relaxation and personal activities. Remember that success is a journey. It may involve setbacks along the way. Stay resilient, maintain a growth mindset, and continue to invest in your personal and professional development. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on how to become a successful employee. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.